whoever finishes the thing they're doing first gets to have a prize. Gummy bear. Yeah. A prize from my makeup box, and Ollie gets to have a gummy bear. Ready, Mom? And Ollie drew my name. Whoever
So
does
you're
the
gonna copy that?
fastest.
Just
But Mom,
do as many as you
He
can.
needs to do 2. 1, 2.
Hello, here.
Because my reading
Okay.
is really hard. I'll do what you please.
Up to you. See you then.
Ready, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, 2. What does that say? Sammy?
Same.
Say. But did this one? No.
Yes. Perfect A.
But
It's a
I did
perfect
the
A.
same. I did a perfect A.
Ay, lalo. You did a perfect A.
What does that say? Twins? Or the perfect
Things. Things.
one? Manja perfect one. I do
Yep, that's a
not
good R.
lie.
Not perfect, but good.
Well,
That's a perfect L. L is the easiest, isn't it, Alo?
yeah, I agree. Is that cool? Mom, look, this one.
Hmm?
That's the easiest one.
That's an easy one, yeah. Not perfect, but it's alright.
Yeah, I was just doing the other side.
Mhm.
The perfect one.
Yeah, you're so good at doing A now. Isn't your hand too far from the paper? Maybe move it closer.
Mom, what does Likes say?
Likes.
Mom, Dad.
Likes.
On this one? Like.
There's a lot of tricky words in this book.
Win. What? Mom, Dad. Win. Dad.
Ito talaga, nakikisali talaga. Tignan mo, nagsusulat din. Good writing! Joe, do you want me to teach you? Okay. Alright, let's write Indie.
Yes.
Oh.
This is how I spell indie.
I
I-N-D.
N
Mommy, I forgot it.
D.
Mommy, I forgot it to share the gummy bears with indie.
That's okay.
A. O.
N D I Indie. Hi guys. Say hi guys. I'm writing. Ang galing na. Ano? Maghawak ng pencil. Mas magaling pa kay Arlo mawak. I know. Hello. She said, Arlo, you have to learn. Oh yeah, you are. Draw. Draw. Arlo, draw. What's this? What's this? What's that? Sun. This one. What's this? Indy, what's this?
Apple.
Apple. Good job. Do you want to write your name again? Oh, how about this one? What's this? What's that? What's that?
It's a pyramid.
What is it? Oh, what's this one? What is it?
A dog.
Doggy. She said doggy. And this one, what's this?
Owl.
Arlo! It's you, Arlo! Is that Arlo? And what's this?
Owl.
Arlo. And this one?
Dog. Dog.
Dog. This one, what's this one? What's this?
Rainbow windy. Rain. Bit. Indy's a bear.
Arlo.
It's a bear. Two bucket. But a blue bear and a skinny bear and stone and chocolate.
Whoa, good drawing,
Aga.
Hi, guys.
That's what I am. Chicken knife.
Love you, eh? Love you. Look at the letters, okay? Who, many,
Many.
any,
Any.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You know that. What's that? You know that? Word?
Love.
Love.
Wait, Mom. What
Wait.
is it our first?
Okay.
Who? Many. chicken fry. Any
Good job.
tomorrow.
This one.
Over.
Over, yes.
Is it like this? Shaw
Says.
says. Like this? Mother.
Yep.
Okay.
Good job. Well done. You're done. I'll put this in your bag, okay? Hoy, mapiit ka diha. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Yeah, that's daddy's. Car seat yan ng mga bata sa car ni daddy. Tas kasi nga may loan car siya. So, kailangan niyang tanggalin. He's gonna use my car today para may car seat yung dalawa. Pero babalik din siya kasi kailangan namin umalis ni Indy. Alis kami ni Indy pagbalik ni daddy.
Yes, I call tomorrow.
Say bye. They're gonna use mommy's car. Daddy's gonna leave you.
What it looks like? Oh my god! Mommy.
Coffee? Yeah, daddy's coffee. Say bye, daddy.
Honestly, first. Honestly, first.
No, they're using my car.
You know.
Oh, wait, okay? Walang car seat yung sangyong. Sangyong. Is it sangyong?
Seatbelts.
Say bye. No, we're coming later. What? Boy, daddy. Okay. Bye, daddy. Bye, dada. I love you. Bye. Bye. Bye, dada. Now let's get ready. First. Again. Well done! Good job! Very strong. Yan pala yung loan car ni daddy. Malaki, no? Yeah, no. We're not using that car. It's not our car.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, guys.
Um,
We're home. What else are you gonna say to the guys? Go, go. Sige.
hi, Dad.
Hi, guys. Mommy, change clothes. That is a nice outfit, Indy. Ang ganda naman ng fit ng Didi na yan. After niya bihisan, diretso talaga siya dito, mananalamin. What's that? Up. Okay. Sus, bot na lang yun, Day. Bot na lang yun ni mo, Inday. You happy today? How are you?
Yeah.
Good. That's good. How was your morning? Did you wake up good? How was your sleep?
Raised
Not the best.
bad.
Bad?
Bad.
Very good talking. Why is it bad? Tell me, please.
Bad.
Did you have a dream? Can you please tell me more about your dream? Yeah, what did you dream about? What was it about? What? Really? Was it about that? And then what happened? Tell me, come on. Is that what happened in your dream? Really? That sounds fun to me. Were you happy having that dream? Happy. Happy with the dream. Did you really dream? Or just making it up? You're making it up, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we going today? Where are we going? Medyo may pagka machi-machi tayong dalawa. I just went for, as usual, something easy. So naka-chords na naman ako, guys. What do you want? This one? Okay, go. Oh, go. Magkakalat na naman yun, but it's okay. Better than IPAD. What? Open? You can figure it out. You know how to open. Sige na, para pagdating ni Daddy, alis agad tayo. So, punta kami guys ng... The way the weather is going, I think we have to go to T3 Plaza para punta tayo dun sa may cover na car park. Alam mo yung marami pa akong time, pero nasasanay lang talaga ako na binibilisan ko talaga yung aking kilos. So, para akong nagmamadali lagi talaga. Pero marami pa akong time. I just don't have my phone with me. I know I still have plenty of time. Kasi pagkaalis nila, diretso kami akyat eh. Tapos binihisan ko si D. Nag-brush kami ng teeth, dalawa. Right, D?
Yeah.
Yeah, ayusin ko lang tong aking buhok and then I'm done. Open? You still haven't opened it. I'm surprised. It's okay, I'll help you. Wait. Did she open it? Did you do it, baby? Look at this weather, you guys. Very gloomy. Very gloomy. Hello! Hey, let's go. Ang dilim, di ba? Ito yung taas namin na wala nakauna ilaw. Good job. That's it. Yep. You can do it. It's okay. Mommy help. Alright, mommy help. Come on. You and mommy. Go. Thank you. That's it. Well done. Yeah. Thank you, beautiful. Tingnan mo siya. Hindi pa kami nakakaalis. Basang-basa na siya. Thank you. Very good helping. Yeah, Alos. That's Alos toy, yeah. Thank you, Indy. Very good.
Okay.
Guys, hail. Tingnan nyo. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! That was a big one! Tingnan nyo, may mga ano, parang snow ba? That was a big one.
If you get to Jubilee, you better get a part underneath, which is not much.
I know, we will go underneath.
What did you get there for?
I need to fill the box up. Say bye, Daddy! Oh my gosh, guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Bye! See you later. Huh? Alright.
Daddy, Mama, Dad.
Did you say bye to Daddy? Yeah. Rain, rain, go away. Alright, so punta tayong T3 Plaza. Oh my gosh, guys, it's raining hard. Oh my gosh. Super heavy. Kanina hail pa ng saglit, tapos followed by like really heavy rain. Uulan ngayon, bukas at saka Friday, at saka Saturday. May 30% chance of rain Saturday pa. Diba? Sinulit talaga ang last few days of school. So Friday na kasi yung end of term. Friday ng noon. So 12:30 sila guys matatapos ng Friday. Indy's here today. Indy's here today. Everybody clap your hands. Indy's here today. guys ng pangpuno ng box. So may mga request si Papi. Shorts, shoes. Sana makita natin yung shoes dun. And ano pa ba? Jocks. Ano pa ba? Is my phone? Oh, shoot. Alright, my phone is here somewhere. So that's alright. But where is it? And then, sana makahanap tayo ng mga toys. Let's play music, okay, baby? Play Double XL by Lainey. We're here, guys. We got a car park sa covered. Sa covered area. We'll tell Daddy. Kasi nag-worry si Daddy sa atin. We'll take a photo of our parking for Daddy. Madami pa palang spaces, guys. Dito meron pa dito sana. Kinuha ko agad yung first na nakita ko eh. Maganda sana dito, but that's okay. We're not far. And then we enter. Where do we enter? There. Alright, tandaan natin to be. Nasa I tayo. I. Pasok tayo dito. Baka merong pang papi dito. Sit down and eat. Sit down. May mga t-shirts dito. I know. Gusto ko tong stripes. We'll see the stripes. Ang lalaki. Kmart tayo. Uy, stay there. Dito na ako sa Jocks, guys. Maganda yung mga Jocks nila. Basta yung piliin nyo yung 100% cotton. Alright. Dito kami sa laundry area. Meron ako yung nahanap. Yung dryer balls. Sabi nila maganda daw yun. Ang problema na sa dryer balls. Oopsie. Nasaan yung balls? Balls, balls, where are you? Nasaan yung bola? Yeah. Ito mga pang laundry. Wala akong nakikitang bola. Where are you? So, ang bilis mapuno ng box natin ito. Ang lalaki nitong mga toys na to. Sabi ni Dan, ito daw. Yan. Guys, pabalik kami sa car park para i-unload ko yung mga nabili namin kasi medyo madami. Is that my car? Is that mommy's car, no? Tingnan mo tayo. Kakarating lang natin. Ligaw na naman tayo. Kasi puno na yung pram. Wala na akong malagay. Where's mommy's car? Mali ata to, be. Kabila ata tayo. Oh my gosh. I said yeah? Babalik ka ako dun. Yung wala talaga akong dalang bag. Alright, ready? Dito kami sa Rebel. Nagpakuha ako ng sapatos na size ni Papi. Come here, Di. Come here. Meron pa dito. Dito na kami sa Target, guys. Sa toy section.
Wait.
So, tingin tayo ng pang kay Indy. Pang Pasko. Tayo na talaga nag-shopping pang Pasko. Ano to, Di? Magugustuhan mo ba to, Day? Hindi kasi natin alam kung ano yung trip nila in, 6 months? Tagal pa nun. But suggestion lang po ni Daddy. Nasabi ko, oo nga, no? Kumalagay na natin sa box at least. Yung mga malalaki ba? Kasi hindi kami makadala ng presents na malalaki kasi syempre, limited yung ating luggage. Hindi na magkasya. So, ano ang bibili natin for D and for Ayla? Maganda to, para siyang, anong tawag dyan? Projector. Na magre-read ng stories. 39 na lang from 49. Okay ba yan for D? Are you gonna like it, D? I found the balls! I found the balls! Dito tayo guys sa Target. May Kmart product sila, diba? Ito yun. Wool dryer balls. Okay. Ayan din. Bumili ako ng bond paper. Kinuha ko na yan kanina sa Kmart actually. Tapos binalik ko kasi puno na nga yung aking cart. Aking cart. Sabi ko pagbalik na lang. Alright, I think I'm good. Wait. More stuff here. Okay na ako and patulog na tong isa. So pag natulog siya, baka punta akong Mayer, tingin-tingin kung ano-ano. Tulog na ata siya, guys. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ayusin lang natin. Dito ako sa mga shorts. For Papi. May mga ganda, oh. Kali-kali. Naisip ko dito ko ba bibilhin or sa Mayer. Baka maraming maganda sa Mayer. Dito pala sa kabila yung maraming kulay. Ito, marami pang sizes. Ganyan na kulay. Tapos, baka, ito no, yung dark green. Dito na tayo sa Mayer pala. Pumunta ako dito sa women. Anong gagawin ko dito? Okay na ata tayo, guys. One last one. Mecca. Mecca lang tayo. Where is Indy? Where is Indy? Pika! Boo! Pika! Boo! Mecca, and then we're done. Last na talaga to, promise. That's it. It is 12:33 and we are on our way home, guys. Nakatulog si Indy ng mga, I wanna say 30 minutes siguro. So that's good. Pero pagdating ng bahay, patulugin ko pa din siya. Okay na siya kasi may baon ako, so she's been eating. Still raining, guys. So umuulan kanina papunta doon, hanggang ngayon umuulan pa din. And our car park was good. Ang dami na, sobrang busy na. Nung paalis ako, so yung toys na nabili ko kay Arlo, at saka may isang para kay Indy, pero kukulangin pa din yung toys. Feeling ko kasi mapupuno na yung box. Bumili ako ng Krispy Kreme. Nakakain na din nito si Dick. I know. Ubus na yung sayo, no? You guys, bahay na tayo. Alam niyo bang kanina pa kami nasa bahay? Tinry kong patulugin tong isa. Tingnan niyo naman, gising na gising. Di talaga siya natulog. Siguro, mga 1 oras din ako dun. Anyway, mag-haul tayo, guys. Madami-dami to. Sana mapuno na yung box natin. Feeling ko mapupuno na kasi meron tayong toys na dinagdag. Unahin muna natin yung do this one. Oh, you wanna see with Mama? Join? Do you wanna show the guys this? Show guys. Hi guys. We got this pan from Maya. Naka 50% off yung Cooks Collective na brand. So it is an aluminum fry pan. I will try that. Kasi yung ganito namin, itatapon ko na, ano na siya, luma na, pangit na. But it's just that. From 60 down to 30. 50%, o diba? Okay na yan. And ito, galing sa Mecca. Nakita niyo na to kanina? Ito lang yung from Brio Gio na Scalp Revival. Rosemary na pre-wash oil. So, ilalagay ko siya sa buhok kasi my hair has been very dry. We can put stuff away now. You can play with this. Do you want to play with this bag? Nice. It's a nice bag. It's your bag, okay? And then, toys para kay Arlo, guys. Feeling ko ang fun nitong laruin. So, ilalagay ko to sa box para isa to sa regalo namin sa kanya pang Pasko. So, kailangan ko na itong itago kasi anong oras na? 2:17 na ng hapon. Oh, nice bag! I'll show guys. Here, bag. Like that. Oh my gosh. Show guys. Show guys. Wow! Ay. Wag mo akong ganyanin ha, hindi ka natulog. Pinatulog kita. Tingnan nyo to. Tapos yung wheels niya, malambot. Feeling ko, ang saya nito laruin. So that's one. So yung gusto ni Dan, yung malaking, malaking parang truck talaga, na malaki talaga siya. Sabi ko, baka hindi magkasya sa box. Tapos meron nga akong isang parang racing car doon na ipapadala ko sa Pinas kasi hindi namin nagagamit dito. Pero ito yung pangregalo kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki. And perfect kasi pwede siya sa tubig. So perfect, diba? Kasi kami doon, magre-resort kami maraming beses. And then, mga jocks, maraming jocks guys para sa mga lalaki sa aking buhay sa Pinas. Ang dami nito. So tig sa 10 ata sila. Magaganda yung jocks sa Kmart. Basta piliin nyo lang yung 95% cotton. Meron nga ditong 100% cotton. Yeah, tapos ang gaganda na itsura. So, kompleto na tong lahat. This from Kmart. Pang dust sa skirting ng bahay natin. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Parang, ayan na nga. Nag-alarm na nga ang aking phone. But I don't have to pick up the kids today kasi si Nana yung magpipick up sa kanila because it's Wednesday. Did you put a toy inside? Good job! And then I got shoes for Puppy. Kasi nag-request siya ng sapatos. So, binilhan ko lang siya ng Asics na sapatos. Ayan lang. Magaan lang kasi to and black. So, perfect para sa kanya yan. And then, this is from Target. So, kung napapansin nyo sa mga pinuntahan ko... Hindi ako nag-bag, kaya lang nung sa Target kasi maraming mga maliliit. So, nilagay ko na lang sa bag kahit na nilagay ko pa din naman siya sa pram. Kasi after ng Target, meron pa kasi ako ibang pinuntahan. Baka akalain nilang ninakaw ko yung mga bagay-bagay na nandito. Oh no, I didn't get this from Target. I got this from Kmart. So this was from our first trip. Kasi diba, pumunta tayo ng car, dinrap natin yung mga gamit, tapos bumalik tayo. This is from Kmart. I got duct tapes, again, for the Balikbayan box, guys. Ito yung from Target. So ito, shorts para kay Papi kasi nga nag-request si Papi ng shorts. So dalawa muna yung binili ko kasi yung size niya, dalawa yung binigay niya sa akin na size. 31. Iwan lang 31. Merong 30 at saka 32. Feeling ko masyadong malaki yung 32 so I got 2 30s. And kapag okay sa kanya, pwede natin dagdagan next time. And then, I got this just for myself, cotton pads, kasi naubusan na ako. So, sa Target ko binili yung white paper, kasi nga, nung nag-Kmart tayo, ang dami ng laman ng aking pram, hindi na magkasya. So, sa Target natin siya nabili. But this is for Ayla, guys, and Arlo, and Indy. Kasi naubos na yung ganito ni Ayla. And merong ganito si Daddy, kaya lang yung kay Daddy kasi, good quality, yung mas mahal ba. So, binibilhan ko sila ng kanila na pwede lang nilang paglaruan, ganyan. So, nakastock to dito sa bahay namin. Kasi school holidays na and they will be using a lot of paper for their drawing and whatever they wanna do. I saw this nung papunta na akong check out. Fridge deodorizer. Lalagyan lang siya ng baking soda and ilagay siya sa loob ng fridge. Simply add baking soda and place in your refrigerator to absorb any odors. So, ganyan lang siya. Ang cute niya lang. $1.50 lang siya. So, I was like, might as well give it a try. And then, ito, ay, kalimutan ko, day. Nakauna yung dryer. So, pagdating namin ng bahay, I attended the laundry. So, tinransfer ko yung laundry sa dryer para mag-start na siya. And yun nga, pinatulog ko tong isang batang bail. Gusto ko pala to ilagay. Wait sa. Decreases drying time. Softens fabrics. Reduces wrinkles and need for ironing. Reduces static. So how many do you... 3 wool dryer balls into your dryer with wet clothes. Hala. Kanina pa yun nakaon. So ilagay ko lang to sa dryer saglit. But ganito yung itsura niya. May 3 ganitong kulay for dark clothes daw. And may 3 ganito din for light color clothes, but combination yung nasa dryer natin. So, ilagay natin muna. So, it is an Anko brand, Kmart brand, but nabili ko siya sa Target kasi nga meron ng Kmart product sa Target. And meron na ding Anko sa Pilipinas, guys. So, if I say Kmart, it's Anko sa Philippines. And then I got this for sa kanya, para sa kanya to. Hindi ko alam kung ano magugustuhan niya pag dating namin ng Pinas kasi tuna siya noon.
Papi, Daddy.
Daddy's upstairs. You don't have to call Daddy. He's upstairs. Go upstairs. And then, binili ko to. Ilagay ko lang sa box. Aray. Kasi naka $5 lang siya, guys. Ang ganda na, oh. Ang gandang sandal. Ilagay ko sa box ng nung isang box na hindi pang bahay. From $40, ha? Hala, sana binili ko si Inday, no? Si Inday Ranran. Hindi niya to size. Sayang naman. Hindi ko yung naisip That's alright. Dapat, ilagay ko na to dun kasi kung may kulang pa, babalik naman ako sa shops bukas. Shoes? Ala, nakita niya guys. Nakita niya ang mga dolls. Alright. I need to get the boxes out. So, yung dalawang balikbayan box na balik ko guys sa under the stairs. Kasi ayoko ng kalat. So, nabalik ko. Nagkasya naman siya. Napagkasya ko naman yung dalawa dito. Ayan nga. Ay, feeling ko mapupuno na guys. Kasi tingnan nyo. Meron pa pala yan. Hindi ko pa nalagay. So, yan. Isa. Tsaka nandito yung isa pa. So, let's see. Hindi ko pa kinontak yung magpipick up nito eh. Oh my gosh, hindi. Hindi ko pa alam kung mapupuno ko nga siya. Tapos, sa experience ko din kasi, they pick it up every Saturday. And nung Saturday, hindi kami available. Wala nga kami dito nung Saturday morning hanggang early afternoon. Kasi tayo. Nag-play date. Alright. Ay, wala. Kasyang-kasya. D. Wait sa D. Kunin ko lang. Okay, tanggalin ko na to sa box. Tapos ilagay para makasave ng space. No, don't touch that. Hindi para sa'yo yan. Ay, naku. Akin na nga yan. Alright, you guys. Dilim mo, Raze. Ito talaga ang madilim. Wala na. Sure ball na to. Puno na to.